Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have our April Open Gate Quilt subscription box to share with all of you. This is a monthly subscription that Monique Jacobs of Maywood Studio puts out every single month. It is $47 plus shipping, and then if you wanted to go ahead and purchase the backing for the large project, it is $14, and then if you wanted a 4 coordinating fat quarter stash buster, that also comes with a free pattern, that is $15 per month. Let's go ahead and see what she sent. All right, now this is a project box, and Monique says that every box is valued at over $80 if you would purchase everything retail. So let's go ahead and see here. We do have this tissue paper. Oops. We do get this insert here. This tells us the contents of the box. It also tells us when that Zoom meeting, that was upside down, sorry. The Zoom meeting is going to be. So let's see, this one is on April 21st. You've got plenty of time at 7 p.m. CST. And she'll send the Zoom link out for a day or two before the class actually begins. All right, let's see, something new coming to Open Gate Quilt Box. Oh my gosh, starting in June. Okay, so that's coming up soon. We're gonna be trying something new and exciting to replace the small project. We are going to start a block of the month. Wow, that is, okay, that's awesome. This is how it will work. Each month you'll receive fabric and instructions on how to make one block. You can save the block for the final quilt, or you can create additional blocks from your stash to make a suggested bonus project. I will provide all the instructions. You provide the additional fabric needed to make the bonus project. At the end of the 12 months, I will give you the final instructions with the last block, and you can put it all together. I love that idea so much. I will definitely be partaking in that. So great idea, Monique. Let's see what else. Okay. All right, I'm not seeing anything else. So let's go ahead and see what is in the box. All right, first thing I picked up is the coordinating fat quarter bundle. I love color. You guys know that so much. So let's see what's in here. Oh, this is a fun pattern too. Okay, let's see. First, let's look at the pattern because I really love that. This is called Veggie Time. And you guys know that I'm a gardener too, so that's like perfect. Okay, all the instructions are on the inside here. So let's see, this is 37.5 by 47.5 large, and we get vegetable fabric for this quilt. It looks so cute. All right, so that is a nice wall hanging size. We get this green color here. So I should have guessed it. These fabrics are from Free Spirit. Here is asparagus. Maybe I'll throw a little picture in of my asparagus that's actually growing out in the garden. It's called Vegetable Patch by Jane Sassaman. We've got peas and dragonflies. I've also got pea shoots growing out there too. Let's hope the groundhog doesn't get those this year. Okay, so we're looking at spring veggie time because here's some radishes. I've also got radishes growing out in my garden right now too. So it's exciting. We do have our Aurifil thread here for the month. This is $22.60. It is kind of like a deep red. And then we have 2021, which is, it looks like a white to me. Our puppy is making so much noise right now, so I'm really sorry for any noise in the background there. But here is a little fat quarter that we get with this month's box. This is really pretty too. Okay. Looks like it's in French. We did get our small project here, and as always, Monique includes everything that you need for your small project. So this is a set of 3, oops, I dropped my buttons. This is a set of 3 bowl fillers. You can see them right here. Here's the template. All right, here is the fabric, and I do think this is pretty straightforward. You just use that template to cut out your 2 flowers from each color of fabric. You sew them right sides together, leave a little hole, turn it right side out, and then go ahead and top stitch down, and then you add a little button in the center of your flower. All right, and here is the polyfill for that as well. I forgot to mention the polyfill aspect. Okay, I did not receive a backing for the large project again. I think this is like the 2nd month in a row, but once again, Monique does gift me this box, so it's really no big deal. But here is the large project. This is called Floral Column. All right, so let's open this one. I'll show you the pattern for this one first as well. So here is the quilt pattern. Okay, let's see, what does this one say? This one says, oh, okay, so 20 7/8 of an inch by 35 inches. Okay, so that's interesting, the 7/8 of an inch. I know I've tried to make my own patterns before, and getting the sizes right is always really difficult. I'm just wondering what makes it 7/8 of an inch. Okay, I see. So you have to cut strips into 21 3/8 of an inch. I feel like not a lot of patterns have those. Usually it's like a quarter or a half, maybe even 3/4, I guess, but an eighth is interesting. So a skill building, I guess, with this new pattern. So Monique has everything cut to the size that you're going to need for the pattern. You just obviously have to cut out the pieces. So we did get 2 of the same fabrics here. Obviously they're going to be for different parts of this little quilt. We get a solid white. So this is called Elizabeth by Studio E Fabrics. Okay, this definitely has to be my favorite fabric. And then as you can see, those Aurifil threads match perfectly with the fabrics that we got. All right, that is it for this month's box. I'm really excited to know what your thoughts are for this one. My favorite item is definitely the little veggie patch fabrics and the little pattern that comes with that. As I said, I love color so much, and I'm a gardener, and spring veggies are out right now as well. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. We're supposed to be getting the My So Quilty Life box is coming up soon. That one is a twice a year subscription box, which is so much fun. Let's see, what else am I getting? I'm getting another wild PR box so that I can unbox that for you as well. And then we're also getting our Fat Quarter Shop So Sampler a little bit later this month to share with all of you as well. So I hope that you all had a wonderful Easter if you celebrated, and I hope that you all have a wonderful rest of the week, and I will see you next time. Bye everybody. That's like the longest outro, sorry. Bye everyone.